guys, welcome to today's video. This is a short channel update. I haven't made a video in a while, so just wanted to kind of give an update where the channel's at, what's been going on, and kind of what's coming up. So just to start off, I did get a new job in December time frame, so that kind of really upset my filming schedule. So I've been trying to get back in the routine of things and get used to filming again. So that was one delay, and then unfortunately, a couple months ago, my computer, just the motherboard crashed and died on me, so I lost a lot of video footage and some pre-made footage I had for an upcoming video. So it's been a lot of work getting a new laptop, getting things reshot for a upcoming video. And I appreciate the sponsor PCBWay being very patient with me while I get all that work done. So those two things really put a wrench into filming content for the channel. But I think I've got a pretty good handle. We're moving forward, new laptop. The previous videos basically all re-recorded, ready to go. And then I also have a new multicolor printer. It's a FlashForge 85X. So I'll be bringing some new multicolor 3D print content, talking about making little things like this. As well as some other new exciting things. I want to try some water soluble filaments. So there's some hopefully exciting content coming out shortly. Now that I got back into the routine and be able to film videos again. So appreciate everyone being patient with me and looking forward to some more exciting new content. So anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed the break and looking forward to some new stuff. Anyway, thanks for listening. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in some upcoming videos.